or die. Hey, swing those always down, ready to ride.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this video will be about this old Tesla speaker. As you could see in my previous videos, I have bought a huge box with Tesla speakers, incredible, old, nice and Hungarian speakers, and also this huge 15-inch speaker from 50s. If I don't forget, I put here active link to the video with this speaker because I cannot identify the type. So if you would like, watch the video with this speaker, and if you know the type, please write me in comments to this video. This speaker is Tesla ARZ 689. This is a little newer model of this speaker, Tesla ARZ 631. This is from late 50s and this is from 60s. From the front view it looks similar, the same cone, but from the back side you can see any other magnet here on the back side. Regarding the alphabetical production code SJ, it was produced in October 1964. We have now 2025, so it's about 61 years old or 60 years old speaker, if I count it correctly. I must say I love the sound of such an old speaker, so let's try it. The track number 3, I'm sorry I cannot use any other music than from the YouTube library, so the music, but happens. So let's try the music. Track number 3, Motorbike. Incredible nice sound from such a small speaker. So, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So, have a nice day.